The notion that vaccines are used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a conspiracy theory that has gained traction among some groups. Proponents of this theory argue that vaccines are a tool of mass control, designed to manipulate and enslave individuals, particularly Christians. They claim that the New World Order, a supposed secret society of powerful individuals and organizations, is using vaccines to achieve the goal of a one-world government. According to this theory, vaccines contain hidden ingredients and microchips that can track and control individuals, suppressing their immune systems and making them more susceptible to mind control. Some even believe that vaccines are laced with aborted fetal tissue, which is seen as a form of occult sacrifice. These claims are often linked to biblical prophecy, with some interpreting the Book of Revelation as a warning against vaccines and the New World Order. However, there is no credible evidence to support these claims. Vaccines have been extensively tested and proven to be safe and effective in preventing the spread of diseases. The ingredients used in vaccines are publicly available, and numerous studies have shown that they do not contain any hidden or harmful substances. The concept of microchips being embedded in vaccines is also purely fictional, with no scientific basis. It is also important to note that the New World Order is not a real entity, but rather a conspiracy theory with no factual basis. The idea of a secret society of powerful individuals and organizations seeking to control the world is a trope that has been perpetuated in fiction and folklore, but it has no connection to reality. Despite the lack of evidence, this conspiracy theory has gained traction among some Christian groups who see vaccines as a threat to their faith and values. Some have even interpreted the COVID-19 pandemic as a sign of the end times, with vaccines being a tool of the Antichrist. However, this view is not supported by mainstream Christian theology, and many Christian leaders have spoken out in favor of vaccination as a way to protect public health. In reality, vaccines have been instrumental in saving countless lives and preventing the spread of diseases. They have been extensively tested and proven to be safe and effective, and their use has been endorsed by major health organizations around the world. The idea that vaccines are a tool of oppression is not only unfounded but also dangerous, as it can lead to vaccine hesitancy and the spread of preventable diseases. It is also worth noting that the Satanic New World Order conspiracy theory is often linked to anti-Semitic and anti-Masonic ideologies, which have a long history of perpetuating hatred and intolerance. This theory has been used to justify violence and discrimination against minority groups, and its promotion can have serious consequences for public health and social cohesion. In conclusion, the idea that vaccines are used by the Satanic New World Order to oppress Christians is a baseless conspiracy theory with no factual basis. Vaccines have been proven to be safe and effective, and their use has been endorsed by major health organizations around the world. This theory has been perpetuated by misinformation and a lack of understanding of vaccine science, and its promotion can have serious consequences for public health and social cohesion. It is essential to rely on credible sources of information and to approach this topic with a critical and nuanced perspective.